Welcome back to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how we can use the filter option on Temu. With this filter option, you can go straight to what you want on Temu. You don't have to waste your time scrolling and looking for one particular thing. Joel is going to help you go straight to the point and not waste any time, okay? So I'm going to illustrate this. I'm going to assume we want a ceramic plate of a particular shape, all right? So I'll just type ceramic white plates because I want to use that. I feel like it's going to really explain what I'm trying to show us. So this is the filter option right here. You can either go here and just select everything just here. You don't have to click on sort by category, material, shape, because all that is already here. All right. So now, from the first one is category. What kind of plate do you want it in? Glassware, like just go through all the options that pop up, all right? So for the category, I would say dining and entertaining. For the material, do I want ceramic, bone china, porcelain? I want ceramic. Shape, what shape do I want? If there is a particular shape I have in mind, I would choose out of the options here. Let's say I want a leaf plate. And as you're clicking this filter, the option in the filter, you can see the results. For now, so far, everything I've chosen, we have 8 results, okay? So the more options you click on and you choose what you want, just keep looking down here. You're going to see how many results that will be available for whatever option you choose. Now for holidays, do you want these plates for Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Hanukkah? I don't know what that is. So if I choose Thanksgiving, we have 3 results. If I choose for Christmas, we have 4. Okay, now for the pricing, do I want the plate to be under 15 euro or between 15 to 40? For under 15, I have 1 result. 15 to 40, I have 3. 40 to 60, I have none. So let's just see for 15 to 40. Let's see what is available. And okay, this is not exactly white. I don't know why it's coming up, except it comes in different colors. Let's see this one. Oh, this is nice. This is beautiful. Let's actually see the product details to even be sure that is ceramic. Okay, yes. On the product detail here is actually ceramic. So let's see this one. Let's be sure it's ceramic. Yeah, so with this is straight to the point. You don't even need to waste any time at all. Like you don't have to keep scrolling and wasting your time on the app looking for one particular thing. Let me change the category or something and just see. You can reset and start again. Just click on reset, and maybe if you want to try something else. So let's choose glassware and drinkware and see if I can get more um options. Let's choose porcelain. For the shape, I'll just go for round. For the price, let's see under 15, nothing. 15 to 35, just one. Okay, let's see this one. And that's it. It's that easy. If you don't want to use, let's click on reset. If you don't want to use this filter here, the all-in-one tool, you can actually ignore it and use these other ones. So let's go back. So once we search, click what you want, you search, then click on sort by. Do you want the most recent, top sales, price, low to high? I'll say top sales. So for the top sales, this is everything that is, coming up here. I feel like this will actually give you more options. So prefer this one to the filters option. Now category, I can still go on here and choose what I want. And you see, it's giving me more result. Material, let me say I want this. and shape. Let's see. So it's just like giving more options. I feel this gives more options, but it's similar to the other one. So let me know, what do you think if you were to use these tools that I've just shown us now? Would you use just the filters option, or you would ignore it and use sort by category, material, shape, and other things? It depends on what you're actually searching for. I think there will be other things. Yeah, for bag, you see the options here are changed a bit. You have feature, pattern, theme, printing type, and all that. So depending on the item you're looking for, the filter options is going to be different. I hope this has been helpful, and let me know if you've ever used this to search for anything on Temu, and if it actually helped you to cut down on time. If you've watched to this point, thank you. And if you've gotten any value from this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer you. Bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.